Back on the channel with another great device on its name, YHE BP Doctor Pro. Actually one of not many smartwatches that have a blood pressure feature integrated. And when I mean integrated, yes, an air cuff is attached to the wristband, but we'll take another look on this one later on. Now for a quick unboxing, we got this protective box with a few information notes on the side. As you can see right here, got the model, color, system supported, data production, and so on. So if we're gonna take this protective case, let's say, off, we're gonna have access to the smartwatch itself. Look at this, looks beautiful. We're just gonna take it off, and also we got another small box inside, which actually inside this box we got a charging dock with a micro USB cable, a measuring tape, a quick guide, and an instruction manual. So you're gonna see all of them right here. The docking, charging, looks nice actually. We got the USB and the charging actually cable, and this measuring tape, which we're gonna talk later on when we're gonna talk about the main feature of this smartwatch. And now, as a quick look over the watch, we got this silicone strap around on the both sides actually. Let's take this off and let's have a better look actually. Okay, so we got this silicone strap over here and also over here. Also, what's special on this device is that we got this inflatable cuff, which it's helping us to measure the blood pressure. It's attached to this silicone strap over here, and we're gonna test it out later on this video. The main display area, it's enclosed in a pill-shaped glass covered face that has a square 1.4 inch in panel at its midpoint. The chassis, it's a stainless steel with two buttons on to the right side over here. One is gonna be for the navigation, and I mean this one, and the other one is gonna be for the power. I mean, once you're gonna tap and keep it pressed, it's gonna power on this smartwatch. Now if we're gonna turn the device over, and I mean right here, as you can see, a part of this air cuff which is attached to the wristband that will inflate and deflate for blood pressure measurements. We got the heart rate monitor sensors, and the 4 pads for charging with providing the dock. We got these 4 pads right here and the sensors right here. Now if we're gonna take let's say the pad, okay, you can see the way it should be. We're just gonna press it and it just fit perfectly, and with the cable that is provided into the box, you'll be able to charge this device in about 1.5 hours. I mean 1 hour and a half. Now as I put the watch on, actually looks quite nice and comfortable to my wrist. Inside, it's an inflating section that squeezes your wrist and allows the BP Doctor Pro to measure the pressure of the blood flowing through your veins. And now we're gonna press the power button. We're just gonna press and hold till the watch will turn on. And because I set up this smartwatch before, I'm just gonna take you also through the small settings, and because you need to scan this QR code, you'll need to have a QR code reader installed on your Android or iOS device. And what we're gonna do, okay, we're just gonna go close, tap on this link, and next we'll just take you to BP Doctor for international users download, and actually it's gonna take you to the Google Play. And once you install this app, actually it's gonna take you to make an account, and actually once the account is set up, you only need to connect your device to the Bluetooth. So we're just gonna open this app at the moment, which we're gonna go through this one later on. Enable GPS, okay, that's fine. And we're gonna have all kind of information data from the watch integrated into the app. but we're gonna talk about this a bit later on. And because we set up this smartwatch, I'm just gonna take you through a couple of functions that this smartwatch it's bringing on. And let's start with this power button. As you can see, it's turning the display on. The other button, it's the menu button, but we're gonna use this later on. Now this is the main display of this device. It's an AMOLED with the size of the display of 1.4 inches. But let's say if you want to change the watch faces, okay, you just have to tap, hold, it's gonna vibrate, and at this point you would be able to swipe and choose the one that you like it. Actually, this watch face, it's one that I downloaded into the app, but I'm gonna show you also later on. Let's say we're gonna choose this one, just tap one more time and it's gonna be on the main display right here. Also, if you're gonna swipe down on this smartwatch, you're gonna have access to this quick menu. And on this quick menu you can see the hour, the percentage of the device. You got also the brightness. You can set up, look how low can be and how bright can be. Also the Bluetooth connection, vibrate mode settings, power saver, alarm, and the night. Also you can swipe up again, it's gonna disappear, and one more time if you swipe up you're gonna have access to notification or messages, which in this case we don't have any at the moment. Also, if we're gonna swipe on the right, we're gonna have access to the fitness data, estimated distance, and burn calories plus steps. We're gonna swipe on the left, and one more time on the left we're gonna have access to the latest blood pressure measurements. Also on the left one more time, access to the heart rate, and one more time we're gonna have access to the SpO2 percentage, which means the oxygen saturations, and we're gonna go through each of these a bit later on. Also, if we're gonna press on this button, we're gonna have access to the main menu, and here on the main menu we got the blood pressure, which obviously the blood pressure monitor function. Okay, let's tap it right here. It's coming with the standard mode that will synchronize to the mobile app to keep a history of measurements. And also if you're gonna swipe one more time on the left, it's coming with the guest mode in case you like to take a measurement from a friend or family and you don't want to mess up with your own data. But on this one we're gonna test it later on with another device and we're gonna find out if it's accurate or not. But also just gonna test it a couple of times more. If you want to go back, you can swipe right one more time, or actually you can see here an arrow, you can tap on that one and it's gonna go back. Next, if we're gonna go and tap on SpO2 or the oxygen saturation level, it says to be normal between 95 and 100%, so it's on 98% on me, which at the moment, well, I may not be in a very comfortable position to talk, but it's still great. And if we're gonna go back, we got another feature right here, which is the heart rate monitoring function, which works as expected. And it's easy to make it work. You can do it manually, but also you can tap on auto measurement, and once you tap on this automatically measurement, will take measurements every few minutes and synchronize the data into the app. And just let's go back and see what do we have next. We got the workout mode, and we got three modes right here. We got the outdoor walking, indoor running, and outdoor running. Once you tap on this one, it's just gonna start, but at the moment we're just not gonna walk or run inside. We're gonna end this program and we're just gonna go back and see what we can find. So we got the alarm, the next one, and I'm just gonna tap on the alarm. Can be used not only wake up but also for medicine time, for instance. So it's a useful reminder to tell the patient to take for example the medicine, you just have to add right here. You can set time, repeat how many times you want, and wake up. Now you got a couple of more options, so you can choose between wake up, work, anniversary, meeting. Let's see what else we got. Where is meeting, medicine, and date. So yeah, you can choose medicine if you want to take a pill at a specific time, and just set that up, confirm, and that should be it. You're not gonna miss to take a pill anymore. The next feature would be calories, and this calorie feature will show the estimated calorie burn for the BMR, basal metabolic rate, as well as workout and walk activities. Okay, let's see. Workout 1 kilocalorie, walk 152, and BMR 1124, and that should be it with the calorie. And for the others, I just took the smartwatch off. We got the sleep mode right here. So if you don't wear your watch while sleeping, well, you're not gonna see anything, of course, except no sleep record. But if you do, the watch will tell you how long you slept, how well, with the sleep quality score and split light and deep periods. Just gonna go back, and we're gonna go on weather. Here, once you got the smartwatch connected via Bluetooth to your smartphone, it's gonna connect to your GPS, and will take location and the weather, as you can see right here. So it's a beautiful weather outside, and yeah, it's working quite great. Next, we got the HRV, as you can see right here. Let's tap it once and let's see what does it says right here. Well, this heart rate variability is measured at night. So if you don't wear the watch while sleeping, you'll just see a black chart. But if you do, you'll see a data plot with some red dots right here. Okay, let's go back, and pretty much the last one would be settings right here. So the settings part provides some options with the display, with alerts, enabled language and unit selection, and the ability to factory reset the watch. And now let's talk about the main feature, the blood pressure. The US patented inflatable air cuff is a key component of the BP Dr. Pro smartwatch that ensure accurate and convenient blood pressure measurements. This innovative feature eliminates the need for traditional bulky cuffs typically associated with blood pressure monitoring devices. When you activate the blood pressure measurement feature on the BP Dr. Pro smartwatch, the air cuff automatically inflates, gently applying pressure to your wrist. The inflation process is controlled by the smartwatch internal mechanism, ensuring consistent and accurate readings. These readings provide insight into the force exerted on your blood vessels when your heart beats systolic, and when it rests between beats, diastolic. Now, with the help of this measure tape that is inside the box, you need to match the number of this tape, which is around your wrist, with the number from that silicone strap of the smartwatch. Also, you're gonna need to take a deep breath, keep your body relaxed and keep quiet and stable. Maintain the correct posture during measurement, relax the body, do not shake or move the body, which is also important. Wear the wristband correctly, do not compress the ear cuff during the measurement, and make sure the strap is 2 fingers away from the bone of your wrist. To blood pressure measurement, it's necessarily at least 3 to 5 minutes apart. And as you can see on this video, all these requirements are met. And I've been doing a test with a medical device, also patented, and with our smartwatch. The difference is, as you can see, after 2 different tests are not far away, which are quite close from the medical device, as you can see right here. Also, all these tests depends of the posture, so make sure you follow all the steps correctly. And also I'm gonna leave another link into this video description on how you can do this. So the compact and lightweight design of the BP Doctor Pro smartwatch, complete with air cuff feature, allows you to monitor your blood pressure anywhere and anytime. Whenever you are home, at work, or traveling, you can easily sleep on the smartwatch and obtain reliable blood pressure readings with a simple touch of a button. Remember, regular monitoring and awareness of your blood pressure can contribute to early detection and prevention of potential cardiovascular issues, ultimately leading to better overall health and well-being. And as you can see right here, we got the app, and you got pretty much all the data that is being collected from the smartwatch. You're gonna have the blood pressure monitoring, and you can change between the days, let's say yesterday and today. You're gonna have like a record stages, which one should be normal or not. Also SpO2, you got everything right here, and also to know about blood oxygen, all the information you need. Heart rate monitoring, again right here into the app. HRV, which is really helpful during the night. As you can see, mine it's like a comet, which is much more normal. As you can see, finding people with normal heart rate variability, and for others it may be like a rocket, which is in people with snoring and apnea condition. So you got all the data across this app right here. Also, you got the sleep mode into the app also. So if you wear the smartwatch on your wrist during the night, would be able to collect important data about your sleep. As you can see, deep sleep time 1 hour and 11 minutes, and light sleep 4 hours. And of course, you got all the records right here into the app. Then you got the calories, workout, steps per days. Let's see, yesterday, quite the same like today actually, which is not bad. And weight, so you can choose your weight also. Now you can go on a calendar plan, you can schedule, you place the alarm if you like to. And on profile, you can change a couple of settings about this watch. You can tap on these face watches, so you can choose from different one that you can actually download. As you can see, download and install into your smartwatch. Confirm. Okay, let's see, it's battery low at this moment, so we're gonna need to charge the smartwatch in order to download and install another face. So pretty much this is the app. This is the BP Doctor Pro from YHE, and pretty much at the end of this video with YHE BP Doctor Pro, we got the app with all the data and all the records that we can collect through the smartwatch. Also this air cuff feature, which allows you to monitor your blood pressure anywhere and anytime. It's quite a cool feature that you can find on this smartwatch. Not many smartwatches on the market have this feature, so it's quite a great one to have it on ours right now. Also, for the latest price and any other information, please check the link from this video description, because also a nice offer it's waiting for you. Being said, I hope you enjoyed this video. Give it a like, share, subscribe, and till the next time, take care and all the best.